Hi guys, welcome to AutoSpa, and today in this video we're gonna show you how to wash a car properly. In washing a car, it has multiple stages. First is pre-wash, second is sponge wash and rinsing, third is drying the car or doing chamois, and the last stage is tire shine. So let's start with the first stage, that is pre-wash, which includes degreaser spray. This is the degreaser, wheel cleaner. There's over there the wheel cleaner, and then we're gonna spray it on the car and then rinse it, which will take off the dust and dirt on the car quickly. So as you can see, have a look, wheels are so dirty and car is so dirty over here. Let's start washing the car. Let's start spraying the wheel cleaners first. And just to give you a heads up, one should wear proper gears like protective clothes, safety boots, eye protection before using any kind of chemical. Now we're gonna spray the degreaser on the body, and it should be sprayed on the bottom, not on the top. Now as we have sprayed the wheel cleaner and degreaser on the body, so we're gonna start rinsing the car. And just to let you know, this is a proper way to hold a gun. As it's a pressure gun, we should always be in control of the gun. Please start. Now as the car is rinsed in the pre-wash, we're going to start the sponge wash, and which includes giving our car thorough clean from outside. Make sure your hand goes from top to bottom and then bottom to top, so that you cover whole area completely. Please start.
See, this should be proper clean, your hand should go.
This is the side of it. Now he'll start the bonnet of the car. After doing the sponge wash on the body, we're going to start the wheels now. So washing wheels is a two-step process. So it has to be done like that for the optimum quality. First, you have to do a sponge wash inside and outside, especially taking care of the edges. As in most cars, edges are left dirty because we do not clean the wheels. Because we do clean the wheels in a hazard way. Let's start. As soon as we finishes the wheels from outside and edges properly,
We're gonna start the wheels from inside.
as you can see, this is the air valve. And initially I told you there's a two-step process to wash the wheels. So what we're gonna do is, there are hidden spots. So we can easily see this area on top, this one, and that one, but we can't see these areas at the bottom. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna move the car either from bottom to middle, or basically we're gonna do the 180-degree shift of this valve. So this valve is gonna be here, then it means the hidden part will be on top of it. If there is any part left in the wheel, we'll get to know. let's see how it goes. As you can see, we have done a 180-degree shift, and the indication point, this air valve, is on this side, right side. So see, there's wheels left with dirty. So now we're gonna do sponge one more time, and after that the wheels will be in perfect condition for the customer. We're starting the second process, second shift. In this way,
The wheel's gonna be properly clean. And they will not.
now it's gonna start the wheels from inside. Yes, these are the wheel arches, and we should not miss this thing. This will show your quality of workmanship on the car. Now we're gonna do the final rinse on the car after sponge wash. See, now the wheels are properly clean. In this way, all the wheels should be done for the best results. So while we are rinsing the car, we should also do the door chems like this. It will remove all the dust and dirt from the door chem, and it will give you a better quality for the customer. We're also gonna do the chamois on the door chems. These are the door chems. The area, the body area, the blue area. When we wash the car, there's some water droplets lying over here. So now it's crystal clean, as you can see. It's a used car. It doesn't look like that. And now we're gonna do the third step, that is drying of the car or doing chamois on the car. See, this bucket of water should be changed after every 4 or 5 washes. The property of this chamois is it absorbs water quickly, and as well as dirt. So that's the reason behind it. We're gonna change the bucket water after every 4 or 5 washes. Last step will be the tire shine, fourth and last step. It should be done in this sequence only. Pre-wash, sponge wash, and rinse is the second one. Third one is doing the chamois. And now it's the last step. Now we're going to do the tire shine on the car. And this is the tire shine applicator, and this is the tire shine on it. That is a gloss. So now we're gonna spread the gloss on hold. That's it. And if there's an extra bit left on the wheel, then we're gonna wipe it with the rag. Edges of the wheel. Yeah, that's the way. That's it. Done. So this concludes the outside wash of the car. And in the next video, we will see how to do the basic clean from inside on the same car. So if it's a regular wash, it's a normal wash, we will be doing the wash like this, which I have shown now, and then the interior, which I'll explain in my next video. Hey guys, continuing from the previous video, we're gonna do the basic clean from inside, which we do in every car. Similarly, as in the last video, in this as well, we have 3 stages for a proper clean from inside. It should be done in the set sequence. I'll repeat, in the set sequence for the best results. So first one is the interior wipe over. See, as you can have a look, there's a few dirt on the car. Screen is dirty. There's so much dust over here on that side. So we're gonna start the interior wipe over first. You can use any Windex or even the wet chamois and the wipe over. With a small rag is enough. It's for a basic clean. Make sure the rag is pretty much soft so that this piano finish should not have any scratches on it after wipe over. One thing which we need to especially take care of during vacuum or during wipe over, you will find many valuables, which includes cash, ATM cards, watches, sometimes gold or bill receipts, which are customers' property and should not be thrown out or should not be kept at other place. If you have to move it for cleaning purpose, make sure you are keeping it back on the same spot. Misplacing any of the items, I'll repeat, misplacing any of the items will result in customer complaint and will include disciplinary action or police involvement in some cases as well. That's how we're gonna do the interior clean on the whole car. Now we're gonna start the vacuum of the car, and before starting, make sure your seat, the vacuuming seat, is at the back, totally at the back. Over here, like this is a Mercedes, and I'm gonna reverse the seat over here. See, it's moving at the back. So now we're gonna start the vacuum. Make sure we're gonna take the mats out. Should not leave the edges. See? Look how we're gonna take the mat out first. Now, as we are done with this seat, we're gonna put the mat back in the car, and after putting it back, we're gonna move the seat up front, so that we get maximum coverage at the back side as well.
So I'm moving this car at front.
Sorry, moving the seat up front.
Now we're gonna start the windows, which is the last step in from the interior point of view. A fresh rag is needed to do the windows from inside and outside. Let's start with the windows. You have to use your fingertips for the edges so that the maximum area is covered and it will look clean when you see it from outside. When from inside is finished, you're going to start it from outside. It's a hot weather today, that's why I'm using more window cleaner, and as well as on his rag as well. It's more than 40 degrees today. That's how you're gonna do on all the windows, even if it's having a roof as well. You're gonna do it on that as well. And this concludes a car wash, a regular simple car wash, which includes from outside 4 steps and inside 3 steps. 4 steps are pre-wash, and then sponge wash, and then drying the car using a chamois, and last dry shine. And from inside it started with the interior clean. I did interior clean first because if there is anything lying on the dashboard, seats, it will be drawn down at the bottom on the mats, and then we're going to do the vacuum. In that case we don't have to do work multiple times. And the last one is windows. So now your car wash is complete. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good one, team. Now we're gonna start the windows, which is the last step in from the interior point of view. A fresh rag is needed to do the windows from inside and outside. Let's start with the windows. You have to use your fingertips for the edges so that the maximum area is covered and it will look clean when you see it from outside. When from inside is finished, you're going to start it from outside. It's a hot weather today, that's why I'm using more window cleaner, and as well as on his rag as well. It's more than 40 degrees today. That's how you're gonna do on all the windows, even if it's having a roof as well. You're gonna do it on that as well. And this concludes a car wash, a regular simple car wash, which includes from outside 4 steps and inside 3 steps. 4 steps are pre-wash, and then sponge wash, and then drying the car using a chamois, and last dry shine. And from inside it started with the interior clean. I did interior clean first because if there is anything lying on the dashboard, seats, it will be drawn down at the bottom on the mats, and then we're going to do the vacuum. In that case we don't have to do work multiple times. And the last one is windows. So now your car wash is complete. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good one, team.